Hello, my name is Gabriella, and I will be your tour guide, and let's get started. Oh, keep your hands and feet in at all times. Let's get started. There we go. If you would like to raise up, please stand up and follow me with my pretend flag. And we will walk over to pet this beautiful horse named Hope. Nice horsey. Beautiful. If you would like to touch her, you can. She's wonderful. She wants to eat you. No, that's enough, horsey. That's okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Wonderful horsey. Sorry, we forgot our apples. Usually she likes apples. Let's go back to the cart. Please come back to the cart, sir. And if you would like to sit down, sit down. Thank you. Hands and feet in the cart at all times. That's still out, but okay. Now, just need to... So now we are going to continue the tour, and let's get started. Sorry, technical difficulty. We're good! taking Gabriella's services tours. You can stop the video now. We're done. Is that big enough?
Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello, my name is Gabriella. I will be your tour guide. And oh, sorry, I did tour guide. I have to tour guide. Okay, let's get started.
No.